So it's a frosty cold day and I came out to my Saturn Ion and it won't start. This has been an ongoing problem that I've had for about 3 or 4 years now. I've read all the posts on YouTube and chat columns talking about how you need to replace the ignition switch, which I did. I replaced the ignition switch right over here, and still I know there's a reset process, and I did the whole reset process and the car still won't start. So I thought I'd post this video and see if anybody can give me an idea. It is a stick shift and I'm going to start it and this is what happens. Now the key won't turn. And that's actually a good start. It just dies right away. Usually I don't even get that. In most cases I just get this little security light and it gives me a little start and usually doesn't gas, but that's what's going on. It's a service vehicle soon. This is the worst that it's ever been. Usually 15-30 minutes we can get it started. Any ideas, please share. To me it looks like it might not be getting gas. We've tried the heat stuff in the gas tank, diagnostic. By the time we get the vehicle started, the code is gone and they can't tell me what's wrong with it. The car sat at Saturn for a couple weeks when Saturn was open and they couldn't figure it out. So car only has 70,000 miles on it. I'd sure like to keep it since I own it, but kind of sick and tired of dealing with this problem for the last 3 or 4 years. So any ideas, I'm open to it. Thanks.